Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Well, good evening and welcome back in. Happy Halloween. Home view coming in looking exactly like what you'd expect Halloween Eve to look like. We've got rain showers, overcast sky, a scary looking theme there in Somerset as the cold front and the edge of the cloud cover with the rain start to overtake the city. You're seeing there that is just adding to the spooky effect. That is something that we're going to see continue through the rest of your night tonight as this broken line of showers continues to work to the east. We've got plenty of light greens on there, a couple spots of yellow that have come and gone, so the bulk of the heaviest rain kind of fizzling out. Just some light stuff all the way through here, all the way back to Louisville and E-Town. 65 to 75, you can see a band of rain moving in. It's going to continue to move to the east. It's been going a general 20 miles an hour or so. It's had times where it's sped up and other times where it's slowed down. But the general theme for us here is that it will continue to work to the east and bring rain chances across the state as we head into tonight. It's because of the cold front working in. That cold front going to flip the script for us in terms of temperatures the rest of the way this week and into parts of your weekend, but it does not last. Rain chances, though, at least through early parts of tomorrow morning. Into the early hours, we could see a couple spotty chances, especially to the south, but we are going to dry out as we go into Friday afternoon. Futurecast doing a good job of tracking that for us here. There's the front. We've got spotty rain. It's not filled in as well, but Futurecast is doing okay with that as it continues to bring those rain chances in through at least early parts of tomorrow. Another little band of rain here across Futurecast into middle Kentucky through 6 a.m. continues to slowly work, so half of us still dealing with rain into the middle part of the day on Friday, but the clearing trend will continue from north to south as we get into Friday afternoon. It's also been very windy out there. We've had wind speeds up to 38 miles an hour here in Lexington, a lot of 25 to 35 mile an hour gusts that we've peaked at already. Futurecast is going to continue to show us that as we roll into tonight. 20 to 30 mile an hour gusts possible, but those winds, they flip around to the northwest as we head into Friday morning. Breezy is the name of the game, but it settles down quickly as we head into the afternoon, and that sets us up for a cooler trend both Friday and Saturday. Already seeing it here too. Look at temperatures in the mid 70s still in eastern Kentucky. We're at 62 here in areas where it's seen rain. That's going to continue to track across the state as well as we head into the overnight. Futurecast temperatures doing an okay job, not capturing it as well, but the general theme is you see that cold front come in. Some of us are going to end up in the low 50s, others in the low 60s. The rest of that cool air stalls us out in the 60s tomorrow before we drop into the 40s and maybe even the 30s into Saturday morning before temperatures stall once again in the 60s on Saturday afternoon. It's not going to last, though, as we start to roll into next week and towards Election Day. Then we're talking about another warm-up coming our way. Saturday night, don't forget to set the clocks back. We go into Sunday back into the mid-70s. It lasts into your Election Day, but another cold front brings more rain chances and cooler temps through the middle of next week.